What's up, guys? It's your girl Mikkel.
It's your girl Peyton.
And if you don't know, now you know. We're the CACI twins.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I'm sorry we're like very jittery and moody right now. We're very hyper to talk about this mattress under us. But before we get into that, we want to let you guys know we are
I just want to say our voices sound scary a little bit.
Really?
Yeah.
We went to raves last night, so we lost our voice
a little bit, but it's cool.
Alright, anyways, today we are doing a 24-hour handcuff challenge. So basically, us two have to
handcuff each other like this.
Yeah, like this, basically. Well, we have to like hurt each other's arms. Yeah. So anyways, watch this whole video and let's talk about the little mattress real quick. Alright guys, so if you guys have not checked out my cleaning my room video, check it out up here. I am talking about this little mattress and you'll see me unpack it and everything. It is so convenient when it arrives to your door. I'm letting you know now. So easy. All I had to do is literally grab a knife and roll out on my bed, and
it literally took 30 seconds.
Yeah,
I would say.
And it's really light to me. Like I could carry it by myself, but
no, you didn't. You made
her help me carry it, but normally I could carry it by myself. I really tried because I've been working out, you know.
And also another good thing about it is you get 100 nights like trial, and if you don't want it, you get free return. Yeah, 100 night trial. So if you don't want it, then you get free returns. So you can just send it back.
Also, it is free shipping, so get your little mattress sometime.
I like mine better than yours because mine's like literally, bigger. I feel like a queen on mine. I have a king size bed, but mine's so big I just lay on it.
I like mine because it's just.
Because you're a little girl. And you get a little girl bed.
Shut the heck up. But anyways, guys, I like how this is memory foam. Yes, memory foam. I love that about this.
Yeah, I used to have Tempur-Pedic. I used to have the Tempur-Pedic bed, but honestly, it was too hard for my back. And I love this memory foam. The little mattress is amazing.
I wake up every morning feeling great. My back not hurting, feeling stylish and good.
The question though, do you spend more time in your bed now that you got your little mattress?
Oh yeah, I sleep for days. She gets me. You guys already know me.
Like she sleeps more. Like she's like in her coffin.
Yeah, I literally fall asleep. I know. I sleep so heavy in this bed, honestly.
Just get back to this video and let's put our handcuffs on. Are you ready? Let's start this challenge.
Let's start this challenge.
Ready?
Guys.
Ow. What the? You just... My hand's so bad. Mikkel, get this off me. I'm not doing the 24 hours handcuff challenge with you today.
Yes, we are.
Answer the door. Ow! It broke.
Just go answer it. Retry. No, put it on. Put it on.
It's another package from Gymshark.
Yeah! Breakfast and we haven't even brushed our hair yet, guys.
I like it.
I haven't even gotten ready for the day, but I need to fix it.
Your hand's like a puppet. Yeah, I know. I'm just letting it like, okay, not swing in my face. And you've learned not to have a puppet hand lately because you're afraid.
Should I fix it?
Huh?
Oh well, we're making food. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let's make eggs and bacon. That's what I'm doing. Where's the bacon? I'm begging for bacon. Right here.
There's the bacon.
Now we need the eggs. Eggs, where are you? Right there in front of your eyes. Right in front of my eyes.
Alright, now this one first. Now you can just get it.
Now, charge my phone. Okay, so we have to work.
Charge my phone.
Please, why are you talking so preppy? Charge my phone. Because there's a charger right here. How convenient. Guys, this is not good. When we fight, we like leave each other for like 2 minutes and then we walk away, and then I wonder what we're gonna have to do now. We're gonna have to freaking fight each other until we're bleeding. Would you stop it and get a puppet hand on you? You stop it before I swing that phone at the camera. Bring the puppet hand on.
Alright, I have to
get a puppet hand means let your hand loose.
It is loose.
Okay. That's so stupid. Lots of shells. Shelly's in there. Pan, you should have had me help you. You look no trash. Yeah, and I have eggs on my hand. So I hope you get salmonella.
Alright, pee.
Why does it have to be so extra? It looks like I'm like, I use my brain.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player.
Look at what you're doing. Ow! Dude, that's so rough. Alright. Okay,
Let's work together.
Teamwork make the dream work. Get that salmonella finger out of my face, bro.
Alright. me do the eggs. You were a little slow and you got, and I don't want your fingers in there. I don't want your fingers in there, dead serious. Peyton, that's so disgusting. Cinnamon milk. Cinnamon milk. No, seriously, that's really a way how you can get salmonella. Don't play with me. Alright, no more playing. Let me eat. I'm so hungry, guys. I know. When can we ever just stop playing? I'm always the one that can be serious. She can't sometimes. You guys know how it feels when you're cooking bacon. The oils are jumping. You're burning them like so much. Well, bro, what do you expect? I'm trying to take my time. Little chicken meat sticks. I just stay back because I have burns all on my hands. Popping. So we got over here. We forgot to film the part where it looked delicious, but trust me, it is good. So we made turkey bacon with eggs and an English muffin with butter. She goes. You guys are so hungry. You know it's good though. It's nice. It's like a crunchy burrito kind of. Mhm. And like a Starbucks egg muffin. All right, catch us and see what we're doing later. Oh wait, did you forget your water? Okay. It's okay. We're not sharing water. We're sharing water. Fine. Why don't we just go get your water? You forgot your phone? No, okay, good. We're good. Okay, let's go. All right, hold on, real quick. We gotta talk to the ladies and gents. All right, guys. So we're gonna sit down and run right now. So this is gonna be really hard to put our shoes on, and don't make fun of me because I don't wear socks when I run. Okay, and my jelly rolls are out. Yeah, how am I gonna get this in my phone? Okay, well first I'm gonna do this because. Can I put my shoes on first? We're sharing. We're so close together. Relax. I feel like I'm in the womb again. Woo mates forever. Ew, get away. Yuck. I don't know if I want to put this on this arm. But let me get my Spotify ready. Okay, hold on. I've never had to work with one hand before. Oh my gosh. There you go. That's what sisters are for. Imagine we could have been Siamese twins. Oh yeah. If we would have never broke into our own. We would have never broke into our own. We would have been such good sisters. I think you got the wrong size one before. I did. Oh my gosh, have you never used that before? I have. I use it all the time. She uses it for the video only. Alright, get my shoes on. Why do we look like we just came out of like Orange County? We're going to run together. We're like the baby twins. The criminal twins. The criminal. Let me put my headphones on. Alright, anyways, let's go. How are we going to swing? We have to do in sync. Okay, yeah, exactly. Follow my lead. I'm the athlete here. Okay, hold on. Hey, she admitted it. She can't hear me, I don't think. That's why. Bang, bang! Yeah. And of course in Vegas, this is when it starts raining. Like, what is wrong with this right now? Someone's calling me too. Who is it? Oh my gosh, you can't even see because your cage. Oh, mama. Anyways, we're trying to run. My headphones are out, so let me explain to you guys. It never rains in Vegas, and right now it's so beautiful. So like this is like the perfect time to go running. I should put my on a serious note. But actually, my wrists are really hurting. If you guys want to check this out, it's okay. Hey, wait, catch on my ice. Hey, catch on my ice. Hey, catch on my ice. Okay, come on, the headphones. After the headphones. In the arms of the angel. Oh my God. It hurts my wrist so bad, guys. You don't understand. And it's raining, so it's chafing. My wrists are in the middle of the street, but it's cool. No one's coming by. It feels good. I like to hear like the natural air and everything. What? Yeah. They probably can't hear you, but let's go. Come on. Ow. Okay, it's a little bit moist out here. Ow, you can't be doing that. Guys, I'm sorry. It is way too hot out here. Maybe it's you can't be moving like that. You gotta tell me where you're going because every time. Look, let's go over here. Do you like that? Do you like that? No, let's go to the trampoline then. Okay, let's go on the trampoline. Ow. Guys, please, can we loosen it? And our wrists are chafing. No, let's go. Oh my God. No, you're gonna break my wrist on the trampoline. Go at the same time. Go slow. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Ow, ow, ow. Now stand up. Since you want to be controlling the whole freaking time. Now jump! Now jump with me! Now jump! Now let's go! Ow! It's broke! Give me that race, guys! Your cup's back to me. Get up now. That didn't count, okay? You guys didn't see that. Now jump! Don't think I'm falling. Now jump! No, I don't trust her. So, my chest. Should I do a backflip? Ready? Ow! Ow! Stop playing with me then.
I'm not playing.
Stop playing with me then.
Stop playing with me then.
Stop playing with me then.
Stop
Ow, too tight. Ow, ow, dead serious.
Who's the winner now?
Ow, pain, it's really suffocating my wrist. Ow, guys, look.
She wants to play games.
Owie.
That's a little weird on
okay,
camera.
guys,
That's
I have
not
to
for the
loosen it.
viewers. That's
Loosen it, please. I can't breathe. Okay, we're good. Should we do something cool? Pin. All right, let's go. Come on, girl. Get away back. Okay, no, we're gonna fall.
That's dangerous.
Okay, guys, we have our handcuffs on. Don't mind us. We're in the shower. You know, it's normal. I swear we're not weirdos because we're twins.
My third eye.
It's okay. Look how red my face is. Like a red tomato.
Look at me. We're showering together. Ew!
I'm sorry.
You know what? You guys may never know. You guys will never
Let me
know.
look a little better than this. Come on, hold on.
Alright, bro. I feel you on your skin on me. We gotta go.
Okay, hold on. Let me wash my face.
It's a little weird for you guys watching a shower. Alright, touch you all later.
No.
So today I'm going to be washing my face.
Alright, get out of here. Alright, bye, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off the shower now since we're done.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Shower.
Okay, you can grab your towel first. I'll close my eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes. He's sick though.
Ow.
It's like our skin's so red right now. It's
I have to have the
disgusting.
puppet hand right now.
Okay. Go ahead. I'll turn around.
Can you grab this?
Ow.
Okay.
Oh
No,
my god.
you can't do that.
Sorry.
Keep yourself on the camera.
Okay.
I'm just gonna.
Ow, look at guys, my wrist. It's freaking breaking.
Time to put on some lotion.
So okay guys, if you guys think this is weird, just to explain, we have like literally the same body parts and we're the same people, so it really doesn't matter if you really think about it, and we're sisters, so nothing creepy. I know there's gonna be some comments, but zip it.
Yeah.
Guys, this is actually getting really hard and I'm getting so irritated.
Yeah,
My
I'm getting
wrist
annoyed. That's
is actually hurting so bad because it keeps yanking on me.
I got changed. I'm happy. I know that I don't have to change again because this is gonna be my outfit, but I'm gonna be adding more swaggy stuff to it. Just you'll see.
Me too. You'll see us changing. Unfortunately, we can't change on the video camera for you guys, but.
Oh, look at my wrist, guys.
Look at my wrist.
Do you want to brush my hair?
Yeah, we could stay in here.
I mean,
Not in the bathroom, we'll do it in the mirror over here.
It's so hot.
What if I got this stuck into your hair and it sucked it? Oh, guys, sorry if the room's a little dirty. It's not our room. Don't mind it. But yeah. What's up, guys? So right now, oh my God, look at my outfit. We're gonna go swimming at our friend Sam's right now, and we're
Got my
going to her
bikini
house.
on.
It is currently 7:39 right now, and we're gonna go get lit and swim.
Okay.
How are we gonna do this? Here, let me do it.
Ow! Are you serious?
Okay. Hold on. Which way? Ow. Oh, there you go. Ow,
How am I gonna pet the dog? How am I gonna pet the dog when my hands are both?
Okay,
we can use these ones, like right here. Sorry,
Poopy.
that was loud.
Hi, Poopy. Hi, Poopy.
I want to touch the tail, but I can't.
Okay, let's go.
I think she knows we're here. Let's see.
Sam.
Oh, hi, Sam. What's up? We ready to swim? Oh, you already got your bikini on.
Look at her bomb body, guys. Check her out. Hit her line. Life update, guys. This is actually really, really hurting. Sorry, and that's your fault. She keeps
Ow, I
swinging
know.
her hands
Ow.
like this.
No, Mikhail, enough of that. Look, you scratch. Oh, that's just pin mark.
All right, guys. We're almost gonna finish this video soon. You just have to watch us play Fortnite.
All right, let's play this. I'm trying to scoot over, but I can't.
Oh, sorry.
I'm kind of thirsty.
Sorry.
We're so weird. We have to be like, we're so weird to be able to use our hands independently. We haven't been able to use it all day. My right hand wasn't able to like do its thing, what it wanted all day.
I'm really not a lefty, so I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm a righty.
I can live with one hand.
Oh jeez.
Oh jeez.
Alright, I think we should just wrap this video up. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of pointless. You guys watching us play Fortnite.
You guys don't want to
really
see me
care.
get mad. I don't even know how to jump out.
Bye guys.
All right, bye guys.
We love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. See you guys later.
Bye guys.